Hi guys. Okay, sorry, I just got home. I was working in my classroom, but I wanted to do one more quick lesson with you for the day before we call it a day. Okay, remember that we work on classifying angles in class. Okay, so we do the worksheets where we have to decide, is it a right angle like this?
Right angle.
Or an acute angle.
Acute angle.
Which looks like
acute
this.
Angle.
Or an
Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle.
Okay, so remember, a right angle has a square corner of 90 degrees. So it points straight up. One line points straight up and the other one points straight out to the side. Okay, an acute angle.
Angle smaller than a right angle.
It's smaller than a right angle.
Angle that measures less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees.
And it's less than 90 degrees. You see, here's the 90-degree angle here on the dotted line. This line here, it's in between. It's in between 0 and 90, so it's less than 90 degrees. Okay, so that's an acute angle. And then the third one we talk about is
obtuse angle.
It's an obtuse angle that looks like this.
Angle bigger than a right angle. Angle that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees.
Okay, so you see this line here? We're focusing on that. The right angle is here. That's showing you that's 90 degrees. Okay, so it extends out further than 90 degrees. So we know it's bigger than 90 degrees. So it could be anywhere from 91 to 180, which would be over here. A straight line is 180 degrees. You see the two lines point out to both sides. So there's 0 degrees, there's 90 degrees, and here's 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to move the camera so we can do the page. Okay, so we'll see if we have time for 1 or 2 pages. Okay, so let's look at this first angle. Okay, this is called a protractor. It's like a ruler for angles. Okay, so here's 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, all the way to 90. So this line is pointing to the 90 straight up, and this one is pointing to the 0. So this angle is...
The angle is degrees.
How many degrees? You would look at that one. Where is it pointing? The 90. So I'm going to type 90. Oh, not quite. Okay, there we go. 90. It's 90 degrees. So this is...
It is a right angle.
Fill in the sentence. Is it smaller than the right angle, equal to a right angle, or bigger than a right angle? Well, it's 90 degrees. So what did we say a right angle was? 90 degrees. So it's equal to.
Equal to.
A right angle. So this
is.
Is it an acute angle, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? So we have 3 to choose from. It's 90 degrees. So it is a right angle.
A right angle.
Okay, so you would just write that in your paper, equal to on the space and a right angle. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, so here's the one line pointing to the 0, one solid line. And then the other solid line is pointing to 150. Okay, here's the right angle at 90 degrees, but this line is more. It's going out further. Okay, so the angle is 150 degrees. It is
a right angle.
So what completes a sentence? Is it smaller than, equal to, or bigger than a right angle? So is it less than 90 degrees, equal to 90 degrees, or more than 90 degrees? Let's see. Is it smaller?
Smaller than.
No. That red in that sound means no. That's not it. So what is it? Is it equal to a right angle?
Equal to.
No. Oh, I only have 30 seconds, so I'm going to hurry up here. It is bigger
than.
So what do we call something bigger?
This is.
Is it an acute angle, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? Acute?
An acute angle.
No. It's obtuse.
An obtuse angle.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.